What up, y'all? So look, in this video, I am about to break down a simple strategy that you can use to trade indices. All right, so when I'm talking about indices, I'm talking about NASDAQ, US 30, SPX. Look, this is for y'all. This strategy has passed me multiple prop firm accounts. I've been able to make great money from just using this same strategy over and over and over again until it has become second nature. And you guys can do it too. But I'm gonna be real with y'all. I really don't know why I'm giving this to y'all, but like, what's wrong with me? I shouldn't be sharing this with y'all. I guess I'm gonna do it anyway just cause I love y'all. I love y'all so much. So I'm gonna just give it to you. I'm gonna give it to you cause I think some of y'all might really need some help. So like, God has been good to me. So I guess I'm gonna give it to y'all. Like, but also I keep getting questions on like, what book do I read about trading? I'm gonna show y'all real quick what that is. So y'all can stop asking me that. I'm actually gonna make a video about this book and how this book has blessed my trading journey life. All right, give me 1 second. So, it is this book right here. I know I got no words in the front, but it's the Bible, y'all. So this book has like absolutely changed my life, not just trading, but spiritually, just everything in the whole, relationships. Oh, matter of fact, I do got words on the side right there. Yeah, what did I say? What did I say? You can't really see it out here. But yeah. It's the Bible. Look, like I said, I'm gonna make a video on that and I'm gonna be giving y'all some key principles. So look, watch these videos. I'm gonna give you some teachings Bible principles that you can use on your trading journey, and it's life changing, man. All right, so let's get to this strategy though. All right, y'all, so this is US 30. All right, so this is the market for US 30. That's what we're currently trading right now, okay? So, y'all, every morning at 7 a.m., this is what I'm doing. 7 a.m. I'm looking for my entry. Okay. I'm trading on the 15-minute time frame. So you got that 7 a.m. 15-minute time frame. Between 7 a.m. and around 7:10, I'm looking for an entry. I more likely know where my entry is going to be in that time frame. All right. There will be occasions of times where, you know, I don't see a clear entry. I might have to wait until 8:30 or 9 o'clock just to see a clear entry. But for the most part, between 7 a.m. and 7:10, I'll be able to see, okay, this is where I'm probably going to get in the market at. All right. So we got that down. As you can currently see right now, price overall in US 30 is going down. So the overall price of the market is, we're dropping hard. All right. But as you can see here, in our 15-minute time frame, we are currently in an uptrend. We are in this nice uptrend channel right now at the moment, okay? So the reason that we can see that this is an uptrend is because we have higher highs, we have a touch here, we have a touch here, we have a touch here, okay? And we also have lower highs. We have a low here, a low here, a low. This is a really strong support level. Price does not want to break through this support level. And so y'all, this is a really clear pattern right now, especially for my beginner traders. Like, even if you've been having a hard time reading the charts, as you see here, like, your natural eye sees that we are just in an uptrend right now. Your job at this point is to literally go to the top of this initial uptrend and go to the bottom and stay at the bottom of this uptrend. And you're going to create this exact channel right here. Okay. So I just want to clarify that just in case you are a beginner trader and you're having a hard time with support, resistances, uptrends, downtrends. I just want to make sure this is clear. Like, oftentimes in trading, you can kind of do what the natural eye is telling you to do. You don't have to make it harder than what it has to be. You don't have to have a bunch of indicators on the screen. Y'all, I trade with literally 0 indicators. This is how I trade, like, every day. This is what made me super successful, is simply just seeing price action, okay? So as you can see here, price is, we're pushing up right now. My goal, guys, is to get in once I see price hits this trend line here. Like, this is our gold zone right here. If price begins to break down and breaks out of this trend line, well, guess what? We're looking for the reverse. Now we're thinking that price is going to break out of here and continue to go down to the bottom side. This doesn't always happen, all right? Sometimes there's fake outs. Sometimes, market might just come all the way down and then just shoot back up. But a lot of the times, that's where you can get clean breakout trades. And it's happened to me plenty of times, okay? But as of now, we're not seeing that. So what we're doing is we're just sticking to what we know. We're just going to literally wait until price touch this. Why? Because in the past history, price has stayed strong here, strong here, strong here. So guess what? We're not going to try to reinvent the wheel. We're going to get in where prices stay strong at. As simple as that. So now it is close to being 8:30. Just to let you guys know, 8:30, a lot of times we can see a really good push on indices. So 8:30 and 9:30 are like the 2 most volatile times in indices, okay? Especially with US 30, NASDAQ, and SPX, all right? So this is what we're about to see here. Boom, price takes off, all right? So that's 8:30. We've seen this is a nice little breakout area here, which is just letting us know that, okay, price is really pushing up to the upside. But you could have got in here, but I will personally, I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to wait until price touches our gold zone up here, okay? So we're just going to wait. Boom. Look at that, y'all. Just a beautiful, beautiful setup. Look at this. This is our gold zone, okay? This is what we want. All right, so I'm going to just bring this bar back some. So once we've seen price getting closer here, we're preparing to get into the market. Like, we are literally waiting for a price just to touch here, and we are immediately getting into the market. We're not going to hesitate. We're going to immediately get in. So I'm going to bring my short position tool over here. We can have a tighter stop loss doing this to maximize our profits. And here's why, this gold zone is so beautiful, is because price could touch here, and let's say price continues to break out. Let's say price just continues to do this, right? Well, guys, we can just literally look for the reversal. But this spot is such a pivotal spot because it's 2 things that's going to happen here. Either price is going to come here and bounce back down, or price is going to come up and might give us a retest where we can enter again for a long position and price takes back off, right? Now, I want to let y'all know, not give y'all just this false sense of, hope. There will be times when price may get here and price might just fluctuate, and that might be a tough day. But if you would just stay to your rules as far as how many trades you take, and you just stay disciplined to this, y'all, it is insane the profits that you can potentially make by just simply applying this, as simply trading at your gold zones. Do not try to rush into the market. You don't have to do none of that. Have a gold zone. See the gold zone. This is our gold zone, okay? And we're going to just execute once we hit our gold zone, okay? So price comes up. Boom. We got triggered in the market. We got triggered in the market right here. The time is 9:30. We got a nice push. We got triggered here in the market. And look at this. If your stop loss, we could let's just say stop loss was at 300 pips, all right? So we're already at a 2-to-1. We don't hesitate. This is why we don't hesitate. We're already at a 2-to-1, okay? And look this is insane. You're already at a 5-to-1 on this trade. So listen, this strategy is extremely profitable. And the beautiful thing I love about this strategy is this. Let's come back here. All right. And then now let me delete this. And I'm gonna delete this. All right. So I'm going to get my short position tool back out. The beauty of this strategy, y'all, this is where this strategy is like game changer. And because in the beginning of my trading, I never knew when to move my stop loss, y'all. So like, let's say that I was taking a breakout trade and then price would come back. And it seemed like every time it would stump me out and then go back to my position. Like go back the way I want market to go. And I'm sure that has happened to y'all plenty of times. But the reason I love this is because we are trading at our gold zones. Listen, once price hit here and we started seeing a reverse, like let's say price just got to this 1-to-1. Like as soon as it hit here, you're now making back what you risked. You can go ahead and start cutting this stop loss because you're at a gold zone. That means that price respects this so much that if price comes back to touch here, it's probably just going to touch and come back, or it's probably just going to break out. So now we can play just as good defense as we did with our offense. And that's what it's about, y'all. Y'all want to put yourselves in position where you can play great defense on your trade, but at the same time, maximize your offense. And that's why this strategy is just like, it's phenomenal, y'all. Like whenever I trade now, like I really have no stress on trading now simply because I trade gold zones. Not saying that I win every trade. No, I don't win every trade. But because I trade gold zones now, like just using this strategy and trading the support and resistances, listen, my win rate has went up phenomenal. Like it's insane, y'all. Like that's how I've been able to pass these prop firms easily. Okay. All right, y'all. So let's look for another one. You know what? I'm going to look for another one, and I'm not going to even. I'm gonna just guess. Let's just see where another one is. We're just going to go to a 7 o'clock, and let's see what happens on this particular day. And I'm gonna show you just how simple it is. So as you see, price overall, I'm seeing this, right? We're seeing a downtrend, right? But because we have this higher high, price could be on this way on a reverse. So what I'm doing is I'm going to look at what price is doing right now, right? And what price is doing right now is this. Boom, boom. Price is in this nice little downtrend right here, and this is what we're going to trade right here. As you see, we got touch here. Price kept respecting this area. It kept respecting here. It kept respecting this downtrend. So guess what my entry going to be at, y'all? It's going to be right here where price keeps saying, hey, like this is a strong point. Hey, I don't want to leave this area. Nah, but this is where price really doesn't want to leave this area though. All jokes aside, price really doesn't want to leave this area. So this is where my entry is going to be. All right. So it is actually 6:45. My rule is 7 o'clock. So we're going, so as soon as we got on the market, I'm already seeing an entry for it. So guess what? 7 o'clock, we are there. We're going to have a tighter stop loss. Boom. And we're just going to wait. Let's wait. Price takes off. Listen, it is really just that simple. And y'all, I literally just guessed for y'all, like where, like I didn't know the time that we was trading this. No, the reason that this strategy is like so strong is simply because 7 o'clock market is moving slow. So a lot of the support and resistances, they're being respected because market doesn't have that much volatility to break it out yet. Like I said, 8:30 and 9:30 are typically where you see strong volatility in the market, and that's where we see a lot of breakouts happen. Okay, again, there will be times whenever price may break out at 7 o'clock, 7:30, but a lot of times price is respecting what price action is doing at that particular moment. All right. So guys, this strategy is really simple, y'all. Once we seen price begin to come up some, so I'm just going to reverse it for you guys. Like, let's do another back test. Once we seen price push up a little bit, like I was talking about earlier, we did not have to keep our stop loss here. we can drag it up. So now we're cutting out we're cutting our losses now. And if you wanted to, you can make it break even if you wanted to. But the biggest thing is protecting the trade. So like we can protect our trades, but yet have confidence that trade is going to continue to go in our direction. Okay. So guys, I truly hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments. Yeah, y'all, this is a really simple strategy. 7 o'clock, 15-minute time frame. And look for the initial channel, the initial support and resistance, and look for it to be respected. And let me know how it works for you. All right. God bless y'all. I love y'all. Peace out.